how to find and see your account history on your Instagram account. Hello guys, how it's going today? I will teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like this video and subscribe in this channel, and let's start. The first step is going to Instagram and open it. After this guys, when your Instagram is opening, you will just go down on your profile, then open, and then you will go to this three line at the top of the screen and click. Then you will go to your activity, and then guys you will go to account history, and here you will find like all your account history on your Instagram. And now here you can search and filter this. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next